The skies have always been a battleground. Since the earliest days of aerial combat, nations have sought to control the heavens. This pursuit of air superiority has driven relentless innovation, resulting in generations of increasingly capable warplanes. Today, we stand on the precipice of a new era, one defined by the awe-inspiring capabilities of fifth-generation fighter jets. These aircraft are not mere incremental upgrades. They represent a profound leap in technology, fundamentally altering the dynamics of air warfare. Their advanced stealth capabilities render them virtually invisible to enemy radar. Their supercruise abilities allow them to sustain supersonic speeds without relying on afterburners. Their sophisticated avionics and sensor fusion provide pilots with an unprecedented level of situational awareness. The advent of the fifth-generation fighter signifies a paradigm shift in military aviation. It marks a departure from the brute force tactics of the past, ushering in an era defined by stealth, precision, and information dominance. These aircraft are not just tools of war, they are strategic assets, capable of projecting power, deterring aggression, and shaping the geopolitical landscape. The emergence of fifth-generation fighters has sparked a global arms race, with nations vying to acquire these game-changing platforms. This pursuit of air dominance is driven by a complex interplay of factors: national security concerns, geopolitical ambitions, and the desire to maintain a technological edge in an increasingly uncertain world. Defining the fifth generation of fighter jets is not as simple as pointing to a single defining characteristic. It is rather a confluence of advanced features that, when combined, elevate these aircraft above their predecessors. Stealth technology is a cornerstone of this new breed. By minimizing their radar cross-section, these aircraft can evade detection, penetrating enemy airspace with a ghost-like presence. Supercruise is another defining attribute. This allows fifth-generation fighters to sustain supersonic speeds without resorting to afterburners, which are notoriously fuel-thirsty and compromise stealth. This sustained supersonic flight enables rapid deployment, faster ingress and egress from contested airspace, and an advantage in aerial engagements. Advanced avionics and sensor fusion are also hallmarks of the fifth generation. These aircraft are equipped with sophisticated radar systems, electronic warfare suites, and integrated sensor packages that provide pilots with a comprehensive and real-time understanding of the battle space. This information is presented on advanced cockpit displays, allowing pilots to make rapid, informed decisions in the heat of combat. Beyond these core attributes, fifth-generation fighters boast a range of other advanced features. These include high maneuverability, enhanced weapons capacity, and the ability to network with other platforms, creating a shared tactical picture. It is this potent combination of stealth, speed, situational awareness, and firepower that sets the fifth generation apart. The United States, a pioneer in military aviation, was the first to operationalize a true fifth-generation fighter with the introduction of the F-22 Raptor in 2005. Often hailed as the world's most advanced air superiority fighter, the F-22 combines exceptional stealth capabilities with blistering speed and maneuverability. The U.S. Air Force currently operates a fleet of over 180 F-22s. Following the F-22, the U.S. introduced the F-35 Lightning II, a multi-role fighter designed for both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. The F-35 is produced in 3 variants to meet the specific requirements of the U.S. Air Force, Navy, and Marine Corps, as well as international partners. The F-35 program represents the largest military procurement program in history, with over 890 aircraft delivered globally as of 2025. China, rapidly emerging as a global military power, has made significant strides in fifth-generation fighter technology. The Chengdu J-20, China's first indigenously developed stealth fighter, entered service with the People's Liberation Army Air Force in 2017. The J-20 is a large, twin-engine aircraft designed to challenge U.S. air superiority in the Asia-Pacific region. While its exact capabilities remain shrouded in secrecy, the J-20 is believed to possess advanced stealth features and long-range strike capabilities. Russia, another major player in the field of military aviation, is also developing its own fifth-generation fighter, the Sukhoi Su-57. The Su-57, while designed as a stealth fighter, is believed to prioritize maneuverability and supersonic cruise capability over radar-evading technology. The Su-57 has seen limited operational use in Syria, providing valuable real-world experience for the Russian aerospace forces. The Asia-Pacific region, with its complex web of territorial disputes, economic interdependencies, and rising national ambitions, has become the epicenter of a strategic rivalry between the United States and China. This rivalry, often characterized as a great power competition, is playing out across multiple domains: economic, diplomatic, technological, and increasingly, military. The deployment of fifth-generation fighters by both the US and China in the Indo-Pacific has significantly raised the stakes. These advanced aircraft, with their unique capabilities, have become central to each nation's military strategy in the region. The US, with its long-standing military presence and network of allies, seeks to maintain its strategic dominance and preserve the existing regional order. China, on the other hand, is determined to challenge US hegemony and establish itself as the dominant power in its own backyard. The PLADF's growing fleet of J-20s, coupled with its modernization of other military assets, is a clear signal of China's resolve. The US has responded by bolstering its military presence in the region, deploying additional F-35s and conducting joint exercises with regional allies. This strategic competition between the US and China, played out against the backdrop of the vast Pacific, has profound implications for regional stability and global security. The presence of such advanced military hardware highlights the potential for miscalculation and escalation, underscoring the need for clear communication, confidence-building measures, and a commitment to peaceful resolution of disputes.